Hi guys, today I have already unboxed AFC chair. So now I'm going to show the fixing manual of it. So this is the manual that they have provided to install the entire chair, and they have provided ankle key and few screws to fix it. So there are totally 8 steps to fix this chair. Let's get into it. So the step one is to place this rod on the chair. Remove this here. So we should make sure that the rod has fully placed on it, and at the bottom we should see that this has reached the end point. So once we are making sure of it, we'll have to place this plastic holders that they have plastic covers that they have provided for the designery purpose. So we have completed 3 steps so far. We have also placed that hydraulic cover on the hydraulic rod that we have placed. So the next step is to placing the seat on the rod. So let's get into it. So this is a very simple step to just insert the seat on the rod and make sure it has placed perfectly. Can you see here? Yeah, that's it. Guys, I have done a small mistake. Before we placing the seat onto the hydraulic rod, we should actually fix the backrest of the chair before we inserting that into the rod. So there are ankle keys and screws provided for it. So let's see how we are going to do. I'm just showing you how they have done the fixing. So in the similar way, we are also doing it here. So we have there is a groove provided there. So we should make sure that it is placing inside in between these two grooves, and they have provided screws and ankle key for that. So this is something we need to make sure that we are not using any sharp objects to unbox it or something like that. Since the net is very flimsy, we might accidentally poke into it. So we should make sure the holes are exactly fitted across, and then try to screw it. So we have placed all 3 screws. Now we are going to tighten those screws with the ankle key. We should make sure to completely tighten the screw so that it does not cause any accidents when we are pushing it back. So while tightening the screw, it is quite complicated to twist it using our fingertips. So what I have done is I have additionally used a spanner and placing the spanner on the crisscross and then twisting it, so which is very easy for me to tighten the screws. So we have almost completed the step 4 and 5. Now we are into step 6 and 7. So we are going to place the chair on the rod that we have already kept it fixed on the wheels. So after that they have asked to push down the chair to fix it. So we have placed on the rod. So once we have placed it, we should make sure that we are pressing by holding 2 hands. So just to show you, I'm just using one hand. There should be a click sound that should generate once we push the chair. So we have completely fixed this chair. So while doing the table unboxing, I'll meet you in the next video, guys. If you like my unboxing and installation, please hit down the like button and drop some comments and share if possible. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.